Welcome to YouTube channel. Andhra Pradesh State Teacher Eligibility Test Paper 1 for classes 1 to 5. Top 23 model papers. ఇందులో మనం psychology important bits. First one, research on parenting styles. Baumrind and Black. Stage of obedience to punishment. According to Kohlberg, stage 1 pre-conventional stage. Erikson, 6 to 12 years of age children faces industry versus inferiority. Applied action research to education, proposed by Stephen Corey. Theory of generalization, book was written by Charles Judd.